Hi guys, in this video I'm going to show you how you can get $300 bonus free from Chase simply by opening a new checking account. Let's launch the link that is in the description of this video. It is my affiliate link, guys. Okay, I personally use the link to sign up and I already received my $300. Let me show you what is the process, what are the requirements, what you will get, and to see what you're actually interested of this. So first of all, the Chase will give you $300 for only new Chase customers. So if you're not a new Chase customer, you need to read the description very carefully. So new Chase checking customers will receive $300 bonus within 90 days after they open the new Chase Total checking account and set up a direct deposit. The best part over here, guys, is that they don't ask you for a particular amount, okay? They don't ask you for a number of direct deposits. All you gotta do is to set up a direct deposit and, run a couple of transactions, right? This is very, very easy. I have been using and utilizing different bank bonuses, and they ask you for like $500, three deposits of $500 or so. So this is very easy to be accomplished. If you scroll down, you will see that essentially, if you want to waive, you can actually waive the monthly fee. If you simply deposit $1,500, it's your entry balance every single day. This simply means that once when you deposit $1,500 and you don't touch this money, right, you don't pay any service fee, which I believe is very reasonable for getting $300. Electronic deposits made into this account totaling $500 or more, such as payments from payroll providers, government benefits provided by using ACH transfer. So this is very, very good. As you can see over here, you can essentially get the $300 and waive the monthly fee by depositing $1,500. And just think about when you get the 300 back, if you need some of your initial deposit back, you can just do the math, leave the 300 inside, because you will end up having 1,800, right, with this, and then you can pull out the 300. Very easy. This is how the whole process will look like. Step number one is to open the account by using the link in the description that I have or will be pinned in the comment section under this video. Okay, very important. This will expire by April 17th. Okay, well, make sure you act appropriately, act fast if you're interested. Second step will be to set up a direct deposit within 3 months, 90 days of the coupon enrollment. So essentially, when you click the link, when you sign up to open a new checking account, you have 90 days to go on the app and set up a direct deposit. It's very easy. And the best of all is that you are going to receive your money within 15 days, guys. Because you know how fast it is. So with other banks and credit card or bank providers, I've been waiting for like months and months and months. This is how easy it is to qualify and get the $300 from Chase, guys. Check the link in the description for more tips and tricks like this. Subscribe and follow for more.